Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Sound and Vibration. Following that, click on Dynamic Vibration right away and tap on this switcher at the top to switch them off or on. If you decided to turn them on, you can also use this slider to adjust its synchronization. And then click on Test to check it out. When you finish, just tap on the back button. Now you need to scroll down again. Click on Vibration and Haptics and use this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to turn them on or off. If you decided to enable them, you can also adjust haptic feedback for all of those options: ring vibration, notification and alarm one, and even touch and vibration for media. When you're done, just go back, and last but not least, tap on those two switchers next to recording, sounds and vibration. And always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage those two features as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!